Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online classes of Iqra Huffaz Boys Secondary School. This video session is for English composition for class 8 and this is lecture number 16. My dear students, in the previous class we discussed the definition, the parts and the format of a letter, and in this class we will write a letter to a teacher requesting him to join our health club or health group. So be attentive and look at the board. Letter to a teacher requesting him to join health group. As we discussed earlier, the format of a letter, so you must know where to start the letter from. We start a letter from the upper right corner of the page with the name and address of a writer and date. Now I am going to start with it. Here it is. Examination hall, comma, A.B.C. school, comma, dated, colon, 28th July, comma, 2020, full stop. Now we will leave a single line and start our letter from the margin with salutation. And the letter begins, respected sir, comma, assalamu alaikum, full stop. I am a student of class 8 and also the head boy of the school, full stop. Change the paragraph. Therefore, I am writing on behalf of our school. We are starting a health group in our school to impart instructions to the students to make their mind, body and spirit healthy. Respected sir, assalamu alaikum. I am a student of class 8 and also the head boy of the school. मैं क्लास 8 का तालिब इल्म हूँ और स्कूल का हेड बॉय भी, इसीलिए मैं आपको ये खत लिख रहा हूँ. We are starting a health group in our school to impart instruction to the students to make their mind, body and spirit healthy. हम अपने स्कूल में एक हेल्थ ग्रुप शुरू कर रहे हैं ताकि तलबा को इनके जिस्मानी, दिमागी और रूह को सेहतमंद बनाने के लिए हिदायत दें. Change the paragraph. As you have been a practitioner of yoga for past 10 years, it's our pleasure to request you to join our health group. क्योंकि आप पिछले 10 सालों से योगा के एक प्रैक्टिशनर हैं, तो ये हमारी खुशी है कि हम आपसे हमारे हेल्थ ग्रुप में शामिल होने की दरख्वास्त करें. We change the paragraph for closing. I hope you will accept my request. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप मेरी दरख्वास्त को कबूल करेंगे. Take very good care of yourself. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. Now we will skip a line for the ending. With regards, comma, x dot, y dot, z dot. Stop. Now we have done with the letter and you have to write the same in your notebook. That's all for today. We will meet inshallah in the next class. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.